Okay, guys, in this example, if the gravitational force F is given as this is the equation given to you in the question. If K is a dimensional constant, in this question, K is not a dimensionless constant. It is a what? Dimensional constant. If K is a dimensional constant and its dimension is given as this, the dimension for K is given as this, find the values of X, Y, and Z. Let's do this. Now, the first step is that, step one, you will write out this expression given to us in the question. That is F is equals to K raised to power minus X, open bracket, M1, M2 raised to power Y, R raised to power Z. You will write out this expression. Now, after you've written out this expression, step two, the dimension of each expression, write it out. This represents force. The dimension for force F is kilogram meter per second square. The dimension for force F, the dimension for force F is MLT minus 2. That's the dimension for force. Now, this M is mass. The dimension for mass M is what? Capital M. This M is mass. The dimension for mass M is what? Capital M. Now, this R is radius. The dimension for R is length. The radius and the dimension as what? As length. And this K is dimensional, is a constant. But in this particular question, it is not a dimensionless constant. It is a dimensional constant. That is a constant that has a dimension. So this K, the dimension of this K is M raised to power minus 1, L raised to power 3, T raised to power minus 2. You write out the dimension. Then step 3. We are going to substitute each of these dimensions into this equation. So this equation will now change to the dimension of force is this. You will write MLT minus 2 is equal. Dimension for K is this. M raised to power minus 1, L raised to power 3, T raised to power minus 2, R raised to power what? Minus X. Don't forget the dimension for K is this, but this is raised to power minus X. Raised to power minus X. Then open brackets. Dimension for mass M is what? M times M, all raised to power Y. The dimension for R is what? L, all raised to power Z. So we just continue with our what? With our expression. Open brackets. Open brackets. So this will still be MLT minus 2 is equals to, use this power to open a bracket. And you have to be very careful. If you're using this power to open a bracket, you also consider this minus that is here. So minus X times minus 1, that will be what? Plus. This one changes to M raised to power X. Minus X times 3, this is what? L raised to power minus 3X. Minus X times minus 2, this one will change to what? T raised to power 2X. Because minus times minus is what? Plus. Then M times M is M square. This one will give us what? M raised to power 2Y. And this one will give us what? L raised to power Z. What we're going to do now is that we're going to collect the brackets. Collect the brackets. Now, to collect the like terms, collect the like terms. So therefore, this will be written as M raised to power MLTS minus 2 is equals to, this is M raised to power X, M raised to power 2Y, L raised to power minus 3X, L raised to power Z, T raised to power 2X. Then after we've done this, we are going to rewrite. So while rewriting, we are going to have it as, this one will be written as M raised to power 1, L raised to power 1, T raised to power minus 2, because T raised to power 1 is that thing. So join this together, this will be M raised to power X plus 2Y. This one will be L raised to power minus 3X plus Z. And this one will be T raised to power 2X. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that we are going to relate. Now, while relating, the first one, M raised to power 1 will equals M raised to power X plus 2Y. So M cancel M, then X plus 2Y is equals to 1. The next one, L raised to power 1 will equals to L raised to power minus 3X plus Z. L cancel L, then minus 3X plus Z will equals to 1. The next one, T raised to power minus 2 will be equals to T raised to power 2X. T cancel T, minus 2 is equals to 2X, then X is equals to minus 1. Now, we will now say that if X is equals to minus 1 and x plus 2y is equals to 1. Therefore, minus 1 plus 2y is equals to 1. So therefore, your y will equals 1. Because if this minus 1 goes to the other side, that will be 2. So y is equals to 1. So we will now say that if x is equals to minus 1 and minus 3x plus z is equals to 1. So we are going to substitute the value of this minus x here. Then we are going to have minus 3 minus 1 because x is minus 1 plus z is equals to 1. Now what is minus 3 times minus 1? That is what? Plus 3. Therefore, our z would equals 1 minus 3. Then z is equals to minus 2. So the final answer, we're going to say finally x equals minus 1, x equals minus 1, y equals 1, and z is equals to minus 2. That's the final answer. Thank you guys for watching.